Hi, this is Jennifer with the New Home Experts, and today I am out in the master plan of Cadence in Henderson. We're going to take a look at the Century Communities Glenmore floor plans, which are all single story. So let's get started right now. So this is your first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes here in Las Vegas, then go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes happening here in Las Vegas. We do get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we would love to help you make your dream of living in Las Vegas a reality. So today we are out at Century Communities. This is one of 6 communities that Century is building in the master plan of Cadence. Cadence is building a total of just over 12,000 homes out here, and they are just about halfway done. Now we are in the Glenmore II of community at Century, and this is the most affordable single stories in all of Cadence right now. They have 3 floor plans, anywhere from about 1,850 to 2,301 square feet, and prices for everything, including lot premiums and all of your finishes, remain under $600,000. So we have 2 models here today. The one we are sitting in right now is 2,230 square feet. So we're going to show you this one as well as the one next door. We look forward to showing you. Hi, now welcome to the 2230 floor plan over here at Century Communities. And this particular home can be built as a 2 plus den or 3 bedroom residence. What's very unique to what Century is doing right now is that they are pre-speccing all of the homes. So all of your finishes, etc., will be selected. And right now they have 3 available. So these would be for late May delivery. Just to give you an idea of what the pricing is, and again, that's me including all of your finishes, all of your upgrades. This is, of course, how the model is done, but these would have all of your upgrades in them. They're priced anywhere from about $565,000 to under $580,000. So great pricing, and that includes everything that's your out the door price. So obviously here you have really a nice spacious kitchen. I love this fireplace. That's beautiful. But all of these kitchens are beautifully upgraded. And what's very popular right now is the quartz countertops. I love this backsplash as well. And then here, take a look at these slider doors out here to the back patio. Now, in total, they're only building about 109 homes out here, and they're about halfway through. So there's still opportunities to purchase, but of course, again, they're halfway through. Okay. Oh. Always wonder if I can open the door or not. Take a look at this. Wow. All of these sliders open up. We've got a great backyard. So what's been happening out here too is there are single stories, again, that are out here from Century, and there are people that are already owning here in the Cadence neighborhood that are moving here because they just want to maybe have a single story, perhaps instead of a 2-story house. And we're getting a lot of retirees and people from California that are looking to make Cadence their first or second home. All right, I got this all done. Okay. Now let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. I love how open this is. Your primary is right over here. And what's nice is they did do a really nice high ceiling. And take a look at this shower. And here is your closet for the primary bedroom. And I'm seeing quite a bit of this now. This seems to be pretty popular, where off of your primary bedroom closet, you have great access right into your laundry room. So that's right here. Now this home can be built either again as a 2 or 3 bedroom. Here they have it done as a den, but this can be a bedroom. And then here is another bedroom over here. What's nice is this is an ensuite bedroom, which means it has its own closet and its own bathroom. So great if you have an older child or perhaps a parent at home, or of course even for a guest. That's really nice and it offers a lot of privacy. So this is the 2230 square foot residence over here at Glenmore II by Century Communities. We are now going to go walk through the larger model, which is just over 2,300 square feet. Okay, hello, and now welcome to the 2301 square foot floor plan. This has a very impressive entry. The ceiling heights really make it feel very spacious. This particular model can be is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It does also have a pretty large den area. This is just, again, both of the models that we've seen just have some really impressive living spaces. This is beautiful as well. And this also offers the large slider door to the exterior. One thing I'll mention is here, the other floor plan had the pantry on the other side. Here you have the pantry here, and your washer and dryer is over here versus the other one, which was right off the primary bedroom. So I think it's just preference essentially. And then in this particular model, your floor plan, the primary bedroom is going to be all the way down here. Very, very different layout. Really large primary bedroom. And the primary bath. Also really pretty. I love they did a really nice job with the finishes with these, especially for the price point. These are priced, the ones that they have that would be ready for a end of May delivery right now are priced in the mid $580 range. Also, they're offering, looking at the closet, they're offering a great incentive right now as well, which is a 6% towards your, of the base price towards your closing costs, or a rate buy down, which would be a great option right now as well. So you can get your rate down into the 6s right now if you were to use that incentive and close as early as next month, which would be the end of May. So this home also has 2 additional bedrooms down over here, and they share a bathroom. House feels really big. I mean, 2,300 square feet is not a small home, but it definitely feels larger. And I think it's the ceiling height and just the way the floor plans are laid out. So you have 2 bedrooms, both a good size, and they would share this bathroom up front. I think both of these layouts are great. It just kind of depends how you plan to use the house. The other one, again, had that ensuite bathroom. And this one would have these 2 bedrooms sharing the bathroom. But something to reiterate is that for Cadence, which is building, they have 8 builders right now. This is just one of 8, which is the Century Communities. Out of everything that is being offered right now for single story, these are the best priced single story homes being offered right now in Cadence, which again is under that $600,000 mark. Plus the HOA here to be in a gorgeous master plan is only $55 a month. That's definitely one of the lesser expensive master plan out here in Henderson. So if you are considering Cadence as an option for a master plan community out here in Henderson, this particular builder, I think, offers the greatest value right now for a single story floor plan. We're going to put all the details as far as what's being offered right now in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you're enjoying all the information that we share about new homes here in Las Vegas. And we'll see you next time.